Hello, everyone. Do you want to make money online, but don't know where to start? A screen with various websites and apps that offer ways to make money online. There are many ways to make money online. You can take online surveys, sell products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon, or even start your own e-commerce business. A person taking surveys on their computer. Taking online surveys is a quick and easy way to make money. You can sign up for survey sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie and start earning cash or gift cards today. A person selling products on Etsy. Selling products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon is another great way to make money online. You can create your own products or sell items you no longer need. A person working on a website for their e-commerce business. Starting your own e-commerce business is a more long-term way to make money online. You can sell products or services and build a customer base. Closing shot. The person from the opening shot now looking happy and relaxed. With so many options available, there's never been a better time to start making money online. So why wait? Start today and take control of your financial future. I think these videos will help you.